Assalamualaikum to my lecturer, Encik Muhammad Nizamuddin bin Abdul Rahim. We are from Group 5. We'll make a presentation for our group assignment for the subject of Logistic and Distributive Trade. We have choose Dr. Eko Company as our study material. First of all, I would like to introduce our team. The first one is Nurul Farah Anis binti Azlan, matrix number A21A2977. The second one is Nurain Izzati binti Sabaruddin, matrix number A21A2910. The third one is Muhammad Ashraf bin Zulkifli, matrix number A21A2631. The fourth one is Nur Amani Atirah binti Sharom, matrix number A21A2982. And the last one is Nik Izzah Suhaida binti Nik Ibrahim, matrix number A21A2696.
For introduction of our presentation, I want to share about Dr. Eke Nona background. In November 2014, Dr. Eke acquired 100% stake in Nona from parent company Toto Food Industries, which is the company a leading confectionery producer in Malaysia. For a new alliance named Dr. Eke Nona Malaysia Sendirian Berhad has since been established. The acquisition makes Dr. Eke Nona the forerunner in Malaysia food industry with rising export to various countries in Asia. As a major branded goods enterprise in the food industry, Dr. Eke Nona is represented in the retail food trade with some 315 different products, and its market leader is in almost all its German product lines. The company must carry out various logistic activities to facilitate all matters, whether delivery of goods, order management, and so on. So we have a few logistic activities that implemented by Dr. Eke Nona.
The first is transportation. Transportation refers to the moving of product and people from one location to another, as well as the numerous modes of transportation used to achieve. Their company use sea transport to carry out export and import activities. This is because sea carriers are more cost-effective than air carriers. This transportation is handled by Germany. Dr. Eke Malaysia need to import raw material from Thailand so that they use sea carriers for their transportation activities. The form used for delivery and receipt of goods is seaway bill. A seaway bill provides proof of a carriage contract and delivery of the item being conveyed. Delivery made by the company Dr. Eke, they are also subject to import and export tax that have been set by the government.
Second is warehousing. A warehouse is a type of warehousing or logistics system that business employ to store and distribute products. The warehouse is a system in the warehouse that gives information on the availability of stock of products, the quality of the items, and the status of delivery of goods as opposed to a standard warehouse. Manufacturers, importers, export, wholesalers, transportation companies, custom and other enterprise are examples of people that frequently require or employ storage. Warehouses are sometimes built to load and unload cargo directly from railways, airports and seaports. Dr. Eke used two warehouses to store stock and raw materials. The main warehouse is located near Dr. Eke's factory, while the second warehouse is located elsewhere. Dr. Eke rents a second warehouse and the location was private. Dr. Eke's warehouse stores raw materials and stocks that have been imported from foreign countries such as Germany. Stock arriving from Germany via water transport will be transported to a warehouse for storage. This warehouse also stores stock that we will export to Singapore. The following are the standards process contained in a warehousing management system. First, receiving and put away. Second, dispatching. Third, stock take. And the last is reporting.
I will continue part of packaging. Packaging refers to the operation of a wrapping and packaging intended to protect an item, and also technological art where it requires design art expertise. Packaging is an important component of a market product in terms of both marketing and product safety. Customer will elaborate in terms of packaging to see the quality of the product. The packaging method also describes the product quality and the identity of the theme that product is. There are a type purpose of packaging. Maintain a product fairness such as food, to safeguard the product against external influence such as taste, odor, and perishable broken material, to draw buyer attention by utilizing the benefit of design and color selection, makes it easier for a product to be transported and taken wherever, improve the quality of an item, particularly in terms of appearance, keep the merchandise safe and secret, facilitate storage and use of product, promote the product, facilitate getting support for distributor to distribute.
Fourth is inventory control. Inventory control is process of maintaining a balance between various activities involved during production, providing most effective and efficient utilization of resources. For Dr. Okonona, the warehouse division is in charge of inventory control. At least once a week, the corporation counts all inventory stock. Dr. Okonona uses the internal stock take process once a month in certain situations. The firm employs a method to determine inventory stock throughout the internal stock take process, which requires the batch number and quantity to be entered. Besides that, Dr. Okonona calculates the company's inventory stock using the physical count method. Upon completion the counting process, the corporation will compare the value of the inventory stock carried to see if the two methods have the same value. If the value of the inventory stock differs, Dr. Okonona will investigate the cause and perform a comprehensive investigation. The company will determine whether the inventory stock is adequate or not once the problem has been identified.
Okay, for order management. Order management refers to the process of receiving, tracking, and fulfilling customers' order. So, the order management process begins when an order is placed and ends when the customer receives their package. For Dr. Okonona, they have a 6 process of order management, which is first is packing the goods based on how much a customer needs. And after that, they will start in pallet and wrapping properly the goods. And then thirdly, after their wrapping, they will do the documentation such as PL, PI, and others. After that, they will arrange transportation from overseas because they do not have their own transportation. So they import their transportation to deliver our goods to the customer. And then they will collect the goods in the lorries and deliver to the customer. Lastly, after customer receive their goods or their order, customer need to chop and sign in PIBL. And then they will come after 1 month to make a payment.
As conclusion, logistic activities are developed to face issues regarding material management and connected flows from suppliers to consumers. Logistics service is a commercial function which is responsible for getting the right items toward the right consumer in the appropriate proportions, at the perfect time, in the correct position, for the cheapest price and in the proper conditions. Dr. Okonona's company's ability to use logistics effectively and efficiently has a major effect on its competitiveness and success. Logistic activities can assist Dr. Okonona in planning realistic and long-term business growth. Logistics activities may also help the company save costs and energy while also improving their performance.
Thank you for watching and bye.